Hi guys, we received this kitchen faucet for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. It comes with the installations instructions. Okay, as you can see, it comes very well protected with foam. This is a base plate, and this is a main. Okay, as you can see, it's a black matte finish, and when you turn it to the right side, it will have the cold water, and to the other side the hot water. Okay, and it also comes with the drainage device. As you can see, comes with all you need. And take this out, you can press it and it goes the water, and you can stop it from going, so you can have all the water in your water basin. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it, and let's see how it works and how it looks. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It looks really nice. It's really beautiful, and it's actually really nice because it controls with just one handle the temperature, as I've said, and the water flow is really amazing. It doesn't splash, and it looks really nice, like a waterfall effect, and it's really thin. Okay, as you've seen, it was really easy installation. It doesn't take that much long, and it's really beautiful how it looks. The matte finish looks really nice, and the water flow, as I've said, is really soft and amazing. It's like a waterfall effect. So as you see, it's really beautiful, and that's why I will really recommend it. See you guys.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.